Ladies and gentlemen of Germany, it's me, NYSEinstein, from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm so sorry I missed you yesterday. We had some technical problems. Doesn't happen too often. This market is getting exciting. We closed at 17,908. We are on the road to 18,000. It's kind of confusing. I'm trying to break it down and try and figure out what's really going on. Do I feel comfortable that it's fresh money coming into the market, that people feel that the economy is healthy? I don't really think so. Is the market stable at these high levels? I kind of think so. Is it going to hit a level where it's going to have some resistance and sell off? It's very possible. What do I really think is happening? What do I really think is happening here? As Einstein and Confucius trying to figure out why the market has rebounded from 15.5 to almost 18,000 in a month and a half. Ladies and gentlemen, the short squeeze, there's such a huge bet in this market that this market can't sustain it, that the economy is weak, that earnings are going to be bad, and all that. It showed up in the VIX trade. It showed up in short interest of $1 trillion in the marketplace across the board, industry-wide. And what is happening? It may be fueled by the oil rally, which may be people buying oil because they felt it was oversold. It could be a short squeeze. Okay? Right now, today, JP Morgan earnings came out. Goldman looked positive. Today was a bank rally. It had nothing to do with the fact that the oil inventories came out. They were down, up 6 million. That did not even blip the market. Oil was down, banks were up, the market was up. We are roaring. I really believe today was fueled by banks. I really believe this was a massive short squeeze. Okay? Will that continue through 18,000? Very possibly. Will that bring real buyers in because they feel that the bank sector has turned around? Yes, maybe, until the Fed starts finagling and starts again. Right? Starts blurping out, yelling in the boys and see what they're going to do. So is all of this sustainable? I'm really not sure. Is it real fundamental buying? Perhaps partially. Is it a huge short squeeze? I really believe that. Tomorrow and the next day are going to be really telling days as we approach 18,000. Do we hit 18,000 and sell off and back off? Does oil stop rallying? Does more news come out about the Fed? All these things are possible. In the next 2 days, watch NYSEinstein. What happens here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange controls what happens in the rest of the world. Okay? What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. What happens between you and me stays between you and me. But no matter what, it's exciting on a daily basis. I love you all. Tomorrow and Friday will be very telling. 17.9. Do we go to 18,000? Put on your 18,000 caps. The last time I put on an 18,000 cap, we hit it and went down 1,000 points. I don't know if that's going to happen again. We'll see later.